Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhome komkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Imbukeli nazo ezinosondle kusihlwa nje.
Mtanomhle, we're sick and tired of judges that are bribed and taking decisions, abnormal decisions, corrupt decisions.
Kuboshwe abafundi abane benyuvesi Walter Sisulu kwalimala amaphoyisa amabili ngesikhathi kuqubuka izibhelu esikhungweni salenyuvesi saseMthatha e-Eastern Cape kulandela isinqumo sokudedelwa ngebheyili kosolwa ngokubulala umfundi wayo lenyuvesi.
Angifuni uyingena into yaFloyd uphi apha. So I'm not getting involved. Ayakwini yena.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi akahlanganise lutho noFloyd Shivambu ingakho ke ngeke azayifake indabeni zokususwa kwakhe esikhundleni sokuba unobhala jikelele weqembu umkhonto wesizwe.
We don't have rights. Because now and then, even if you meet next year, it's going to be another postponement. They said they are ready. Out in the public, it's us wasting time.
Lawo owabe undunankulu wase-Free State u-Ace Magashule uthi umbuso uyaqhubeka nokudlala ngesikhathi ngemva kokuthi icala elibhekene naye nabanye lihlehliselwe uMasingana wangonyaka. Umbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba zakusihla igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali ihlabangane lemhlophe qwa. Ake sibheke ukuthi namhlanje sihamba ngaziphi. Bakhalelwe ngamasongo kaSigonyela abafundi abane benyuvesi iWalter Sisulu kwalimala namaphoyisa amabili ngesikhathi kuqubuka izibhelu esikhungweni salenyuvesi saseMthatha e-Eastern Cape. Lokho kulandela isinqumo sokudedelwa ngebheyili kaManelisi Mampane nosolwa ngokubulala umfundi wayo lenyuvesi.
Ungquzulwano phakathi kwabafundi namapolisa esebenzisa imbumbulu zerabha nezintyuzisi uchithachitha abaqhankqalazi bexhobe ngamatye kunye nangomandlalo. Indlela u-N2 ivalwe mba abasebenzi bengakwazi ukudlula baye emsebenzini. Le nqumbo ingaka iza emva kokuba inkundla kaMantyi inikezele ngebheyili R10,000 kumtyholwa ojongene namatyala okubulala kwakule university.
Everything that is happening now, you should blame it on Magistrate Xolo. You understand? Because in his preamble, in his judgment, he did mention that there's a public outcry that in the interest of justice, Mr. Mampane must not be released. Sindiswa Mbolekwa ungumama womfundi wadutyulwa wasweleka uSisonke Mbolekwa kunye nomama uZintathu ufunda nowadutyulelwa umntana wakhe oyintombazana nekungoku nje imbumbulu saxinga enhloko nalapho sabhulabhulwa ngogqirha esibhedlela ukuzama ukukhupha ezimbumbulu.
Mina ngiswelekelwe umntana uphansi komhlaba. Umama kaSethu umntwana wakhe usesibhedlela azikakhutshwa ibullet ezimbini. Abantwana bethu abachisanga into apha esikolweni ababulalanga festile kodwa bazogadwa ngemipu.
uSethu unembumbulu esenhloko angakhohlela nangalomzuzu imove kulandawo akuyo kuthwe akekho.
Mtanomhle, we're sick and tired of judges that are bribed and taking decisions, abnormal decisions, corrupt decisions. This time around, we will not respect that stupid court of law. I am the court of first instance on this land. I will refrain, I will retract or change that court case to my court.
Kusenjalo kulindeke kuba aba bafundi abane bavele kwinkundla zomthetho kungekudala inkululeko nyembezi wendaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Sekuvele okusha ngesigameko sokubulawa ka-Olorado Mongale isidumbu sakhe esatholakala eLombard West ngase-Alexander eGoli. Omunye wabesifazane siligodlileke igama lakhe utshele uphiko lwendaba ze-SABC ukuthi uyabaza abanye besilisa abaqhuba lobugebengu bokuye ngabesifazane bese beyabaqola. Nanku-ke umbiko okhethekile esikuhlanganisele wona.
Lona wesifazane esimbiza ngoMary kungelona igama lakhe langempela uchazele ithimba le-SABC ngokuthi ungomunye wabagilwa besifazane aseke baqolwa yiqembu labesilisa eligile u-Olorado Mongale. uMary uchaze ngohambo lwakhe lokuqala evakashele eThekwini lapho ayeqala ukuyobonana khona nesoka lakhe lisha abahlangana nalo ku-Instagram. Ngesikhathi isoka lakhe limhlangabezile uveze ukuthi kulapho abona khona okokuqala uphila ngenkosi Makhanya odutshulwe ngamaphoyisa eManzimtoti obefunelwa icala lika-Olorado.
picked me at airports. The guy he came with is one of the guys in the syndicates.
Do you know the name of the guy?
Yes, I know the name of the guy. I don't know if should I. Yes, go ahead. The name of the guy is. That is his real name, but he's using the fake name. Went to his flat. Along the way, when we were going to his flat, we met this guy who recently died, which is Makanya. We met this guy. They pretended like this guy is renting the car and then he needs his refund. And then the guy asked me, babe, since I'm having this problem with my account, don't you have 500 rand? Would you please just transfer to this guy? I'm going to transfer you back, including your flight money. And then I said, okay, I transferred that money. We went to the flat.
Uchaze okuningi okwenziwa yileli qembu elisebenza ngokubambisana labesilisa kanye nabesifazana abathili abayingxenye yobugebengu. Utshele iSABC ukuthi iphimbo lowesilisa ekhulumeni naye emva kokudutshulwa kwaMakhanya efletini eMazimtoti ngelomunye ngqo oyingxenye yegebengu. Uphinde wagagula nakholelwa ukuthi uyena owabulala uOlerato Mongali. Akakholwa ukuthi wabulawa uMakhanya okunguye ogcine edutshulwa ngeledlule.
Into engenze ngapay attention so much kwilokhunjana kaOlerato. It was when you interviewed that guy or your owner flat. Your voice you recognize those. I know this voice.
Into emishayile uthe bengasi inhloso yokuthi lo ashona. Yena ngokwenza kwakhe uthi ubesifunela imali. Nothing ayikho into abeyifuna.
I know this voice and I know how manipulative this guy is because he manipulated amaphoyisa asebenza police station phambi. So I knew ukuthi lesi story asikhuluma la amang. I already knew ukuba uyena umuntu and I still believe ukuba he is the one who killed Olerato.
iSABC ingaqinisekisa ukuthi isebenzisana namaphoyisa kulolu daba.
Kusenjalo amaphoyisa aseLimpopo athi imgulukudu okusola ukuthi isebenza njengethimba ukuthumba abantu besifazane eGauteng, eFree State, eMpumalanga belisebenza nakulesi sifundazwe.
Icala lokubamba inkunzi estation samaphoyisa saseLibuwa Khomo ngemuva kokuthi abasolwa ngokubandakanyeka ecaleni lika Olerato Mongali bethathe impahla yowesifazane. Ngemuva kokuqala uxoxisana enkundleni yokuxhumana naye ku Facebook. Amaphoyisa athi esinye sezisulu sezivule icala.
There's an armed robbery case that has been opened where the victim was allegedly they met the victim in Joburg. And then they came down to Leboa Khomo. But in this incident, it was not an incident of kidnapping. It was an incident where they robbed the lady. She was able to point out to two of the suspects. One of the suspects is the one that was killed in KZN, and then the other one is the one that is currently on the run.
Izakhamuzi zaseLibuwa Khomo zithi lesigameko sizithusile futhi zicela abakwasidlodlo bangenelele.
They wanted a place to stay. And then she was taking them to one of the guest houses in Leboa Khomo. That is where on the way they deviated and took him to the veld. That is where they started robbing him. They took the cell phones and some jewelry and money from the victim. And she was able to point them out after they were shown on TV after the incident of Olerato.
Amaphoyisa asexwayise izakhamuzi ngokuthi kufanele ziqaphele ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi akahlanganiseli utho noFloyd Shivambu yingakho ke engeke ayifake indabeni zokususa kwakhe esikhundleni sokuba unobhala jikelele weqembu umkhonto wesizwe.
Uzobele eParliament uShivambu bengunobhala jikelele weqembu umkhonto wesizwe kanti kuloko uzobe ngaqokanga ezibomvu kodwa uzobe emele MK Party okuyikhala lakhe lisha. Ebuzwa ngobudlelwane bokusebenzisana phakathi kweEFF neMK eParliament, uMalema uthi ukubuya kukaShivambu angeke kuguqule lutho.
Parliament or soccer match or anything. I don't work with Floyd. Angifuni uyingena into ya Floyd. Uphi So I'm not getting involved. I am queen. So it's not our problem. We are in Parliament. We are working in Parliament, and that's it. If he comes to Parliament, he will find us rolling.
uMalema uthi iqembu lakhe lisalokhu limile esiqubulweni sokuqhuquzela ubumbano labamnyama kodwa uthi lesiqubulo akumele sisetshenziswe amaqembu afuna ukucekela phansi iEFF. uMalema uphinde wahlonipha iqhaza ebelibanjwe isilomo somlingiso ngasekho bedume ngelika Khobrizi uPresley Chonighaye. uMalema uthi ikhono lakhe libeke iningizimu Afrika ebalazweni lomhlaba.
Presley has been a very good actor and then put South Africa on an international map when Tsotsi won an award internationally. That's where many of us started to appreciate that we've got a talent in our country.
uChonighaye uzofihlwa ePitoli ngomgqibelo.
Lowo owabe engundunankulu wase-Free State u-Ace Magashule uthi umbuso uyaqhubeka nokudlala ngesikhathi ngemva kokuthi icala libhekene naye nabanye lihlehliselwe umasingana wangonyaka ozayo.
Umshushiso wombuso ucele ukuba benikezwe isikhathi kuze kube uLwesihlanu esontweni elizayo ukuze bezokwazi ukubhekisisa isinqumo bese kufakwa isicelo sokuba sidluliselwe phambili sisinqumo dabeni likaSholota.
It was contemplated that we might continue with the trial against the rest of the accused, but the problem is that in our view, right or wrong, accused number 17 forms an integral part of the case against the bigger case.
Magashule bedinwe egane unwabu usukume wama ngenyawo enkantolo emelana nokuhlehliswa kwecala. Uphinde wathi umbuso uyaphupha mawucabanga ukuthi uzothola uSholota necala.
We don't have rights because now and then, even if you meet next year, it's going to be another postponement. They said they are ready. Out in the public, it's us wasting time. Yes. And it's costly for us.
They can do whatever. They can do whatever. They will never find Sholota guilty of anything.
Kusenjalo, iNPA ithi lesinqumo sinomthelelo omkhulu.
There is an appetite to appeal the judgment because of its far-reaching implications in respect of a lot of extradition applications that we've made.
Ukuqulwa kwecala elibhekene noMagashule kanye nasolwa nabo kuzoqhubeka mhla zingama-26 kuMasingana ngonyaka ozayo enkantolo ephakeme yaseFree State.
Lesasiqunga phake ngaseyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba uthi
ukulwapha bekulwa amaphoyisa naba abantu abasebenza ezimayini zamazama isizathu asazi bakwazi ukulwela apho thina sihlala khona thina silale with this mhlawumbe nobe ngabo 12 to 1.
Kushone oyedwa ngesikhathi kunokudubulana phakathi kwamaphoyisa kanye neqembu labasolwa ngokumba ngokungemthetho emayini endaweni yeNjondolo izama impilo eRivali eGoli. Siphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi kuboshwe abafundi abane beNyuvesi Walter Sisulu kwalimala amaphoyisa amabili ngesikhathi kuqubuka izibhelu esikhungweni salenyuvesi saseMthatha eEastern Cape. Khumbula mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus ungena kuze uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba. Isigameko okuyisona esivele namhlanje indawo lapho kwatholwa khona idumbu zeyishoshovu ezazilwa nobandlululo njengoba kuwusuku lwesithathu oluphenya ngeCraddock 4 elisanda kuvulwa eGqeberha Eastern Cape. Lezi shoshovu okubalwa kuzo uMefikoniwe uFort Qalatha uSpero Mkhonto kanye noSicelo Mhlawuli kukholakala ukuthi zabulawa yigatsha lezokuphepha ngesikhathi sobandlululo ziphume eGqeberha ngo1985. Inkantolo eholwa ngumahluleli uThami Bheshe ilalele ubufakazi bombuso nofakazi ngesikhathi bevakashela indawo okwatholwa kuzo idumbu zeyishoshovu ezazilwa nobandlululo eminyakeni ngama-40 edlule.
Ndi phakathi nendawo ndisho ngoba asifumenanga oyela ndawo apho babe umzimba kaTatam wawucholwa khona okanye wayibulala khona kwazimbini indawo ezikhonjiweyo. Ngoku andiyazi noba ngephi endingatsho uba okay yileni indawo xa wafunyanwa kuyo. Nangoku utatomncinci wam wayebehambile ngo-2015 uyothatha umphefumlo wakhe andazi noba bamthatha kumphefumlo kwindawo erayithi. So ke inintsi nje into esengqondweni iyabetha-betha nje ingqondo.
Ngeli xesha besisiya phaa mna bendingathi
ndingathi ndoyika ndincancazela ndizama ukuyifihla ke loo nto ngoba bekho abantu pha bendingafuna ubona that uba ndiyancancazela kodwa bendifuna ukuya ngoba ndikholelwa ekubeni ngoba ukuya kwampha ikhona into ibizawuyenza kum.
Kushone isakhamuzi uJerome Lottering obeneminyaka engama-58 ngesikhathi kunokudubulana phakathi kwamaphoyisa kanye neqembu labasolwa ngokumba ngokungemthetho eMayini endaweni eyimjondolo izama impilo eRivali eGoli.
Izakhamuzi zasemjondolo yasezama impilo eRivali zikhala ngenkohlakalo eyenziwa amaphoyisa njengoba ziwasola ngokufumbathiswa abasolwa ngokumba ngokungemthetho.
Sikhala ngecrime la sempilo. Crime iningabi and crime yakhona mawuthi uyayibheka ikhozwa ngamaphoyisa waselanglathi. Crime yakhona ukulwa apha bekulwa amaphoyisa naba abantu abasebenza ezimayini zamazama. Isizathu asazi bakwazi ukulwela apha thina sihlala khona thina silale with this mhlawumbe nobe ngabo 12 to 1 izibhamu zishema passage phezulu kwemikhukhu yethu. Sifuna ukwazi ubusafety bethu buphi kahle.
Isihlobo sesisulu sithi izolo siwuzwile umsindo wesibhamu nokuyilapho sibe sesikhuleka sicela ukuba umfowabo aphephe ngesho namhlanje ekseni sivuke ngezindaba ezibuhlungu zokudlula komfowabo.
I'm staying in Ravali. This is Woshu in Zamampilo, but it's very common. Last night the gunshot was terrible. I even sat down on my couch and I prayed for my brother even last night to keep him safe. Just to hear this morning is no more.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa eGauteng uthi bazama phambilini ukuxoxisana namalungu omphakathi ngokuthi kufanele ayeke ukufihla izigilamkhuba kule ndawo.
We engage with the community in this area. There are community leaders that are working with the police. So, but what is happening is that these people, the very same people that shot at the police last night, they are staying with the same community.
KwaZlodlo sebesungule umkhankaso okhethekile ecaleni lokubulawa ngesihluku kaLikhona Force obeneminyaka eyi-14 ubudala nosidumbu sakhe sitholakale sicuyiwe eDurban Deep eRoodeport entshonalanga yeGoli.
Amalungu omphakathi bebhikisha ihaya iziqubulo ephetheni ezinqwembe efuna ubulungiswa emva kokubulawa ngesihluku kaLikhona Force oneminyaka eyi-14 ubudala. Amaphoyisa omkhandlu dolobha iGoli yaqinisekise umndeni ukuthi azokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuthola abenzi bobubi.
I have already arranged a special operation with SAPS and JNPD so that I can't mention the date and time, but we are going to be here, and I want to commit that we are going to do our best to ensure that this happens.
Kusenjalo unina khulu kaForce umchaze njengengane ebizithobile futhi ihlonipha.
Ulikhona bekungumntana we-right kakhulu. Ebengengomntana abantwana bonke. Ebengadeleli, bedelela ngesikhathi adelela ngaso kodwa bengengomntana odelelayo. Beziphethe kakuhle. Benjengabanye abantwana. Befika nje nokuthi ke naye ngoba ngumntwana akwenzayo ukurongo kodwa bengengomuntu uhlale esenza ukurongo kodwa.
Ukuthi inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sikaForce ibanjelwe kusasa esikoleni samabanga aphansi inkone Maruping eBramfisherville eSoweto.
Amaphoyisa athole ikhali nezidakamizwa ngesikhathi eqhuba umkhankaso wezokuphepha ezikoleni esifundazweni eMpumalanga.
Bagasile ezikolweni ezihlukene nalapho befike khona bathola izikhali kanye nezidakamizwa kwabanye abafundi.
Kakhulu especially Margaret 10 nibo laba misbehavior ko basebenzisa ikhali especially muku. Nebafana labangenako ngale ngase toilet isikhaleni ngale ngase fencing and bahlala lapha eminyango ngase toilet because there's a space like so mawungena lapha toilet you don't feel safe anymore because bahleli lapha eminyango and we have nothing to say ngoba siyabasaba and labaningi bakhona baphethe ikhali.
Abazali bayakwamukela ukungenelela kwabakaSidlodlo.
Siyakujabulela ukuthi kwemaphoyisa bato checka nokusesha abantwana labetana ikhali esikolweni ngoba ikhali atikamukeleki. Bantwana namhla balimatana eSouth Africa umthetho awugcinanga kahle etikolweni ngoba abantwana bethu lokuba kwendako kwenta labanye abantwana bangasakhoni ukufunda.
Kuboshwe abafundi abayisithupha abathole nezikhali kanye nezidakamizwa.
Today we have actually targeted 6 schools in this problematic area. Remember, SATU had a challenge with the high levels of crime in the area, and we have managed to uncover some dangerous weapons and also dagga.
Uhlelo lokuphepha ezikoleni luzodlulela nakwezinye izifundazwe.
Umhlahla wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu noThini Ntshiza.
Ngikubingela umbukeli emakhaya phinde ngwamukelo wesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ke sibethe sime kanjani uzoqaphela nje umbukeli lisabanda ke izulu kanti futhi ukhonakele wamkhemezelo wezulu olindelekile kakhulukazi ngempela khona ke welikamthaniya kana kanjalo eMpumalanga. Kanti ke futhi nakusasa ngaphinde futhi silindele nje lezi imvula engathene ngasho nje ukuthi umkhemezelo ethana ukuthi nje iqiniseke khona ke enkabeni yezwe ngaphinde futhi ulindele ke nje leyankungu ekhatha phansi ethana ukuthi nje iqiniseke khona ke eMpumalanga Kapa sakhona ke lezi imvula ke ezingathene singayilindela nje khona ke esifundazweni kaZulu Natal kana khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga. Kanti ke isixwayiso sethu kwesikusihle siphuma laphana kwa South African Weather Service sime kanje ukhonakelo wamoya kuvunguza ngamandla ongadala lona kuba ulwandle lugubhe amagagasi kakhulukazi phela masibheke khona ke eMpumalanga Kapa kuyana kanjalo kwelikamthaniya. Kanti ke futhi nakusasa ngaphela fusolindele ke nje lo amoya kuvunguza ngamandla uthanda ukuthi nje uqiniseke khona ke esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal. Kanti ke amazinga okushisa aphansi kusihle kakhulukazi phela masibheke khona ke nje eKapa lodumo liyabanda ngo7 liyakubuza ngempela ukuthi ngubonga ke khona ke Gold Coast Soweto kandonga ziyaduma singolindela nje u8 libande njalo ke nakhona ke Emelo singolindela nje u7 kanti masibheke nje khona ke lapha eMusina lisabanda ngo12 bande njalo ke nakhona ke eLady Smith ngo9 kanti eMgungundlovu singolindela nje u10 ethanda ukuthi nje futhumale ke eThekwini ngo17 liyabanda ke eGqeberha ngo10. Kanti ke kusasa lisabanda ke eKapa lodumo singolindela nje u19 kanti lithanda ukuthi nje liphole ke aphingthini ngo24 liyabanda ngempela ke laphana kuGoli koSoweto kandonga ziyaduma ngo18 lithanda ukuthi nje lifudumala ke nakhona ke Musina ngo23 kanti eMelo liyabanda ngo16 kanti ke eMnambithi singolindela nje u20 obheke nje khona laphana ke eMgungundlovu koMbali singolindela nje u21 eRichards Bay u20 kanti ke eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu kwaMlazi kuyana kanjalo koNdengezi singolindela nje u21 kanti ke eGqeberha lithanda ukuthi nje lifudumale ke ngo21 lisabanda ke eGeorge ngo19 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihla mina ke nginto ngamadlamini ulangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.